make it different from Bride, and how do we make it different from all the other projects that they've done and they're doing. So, and nagkaroon pa ng di ba, nagka-comedy pa for a while yung character ni Kim sa Ikaw Lamang. So, well, there was also an extra challenge for her. But parang as far as the two are concerned, yun nga, parang iba yung yung mas nag-grow sila as a couple, as a love team, and as actors together, working together.
Thank you. For the cast naman, Sian and Kim, yes, ano naman yung sharing niyo naman sa amin kung ano yung na-discover nyo ngayon as a love team or as a couple na from the first na movie ninyo ng Bride for Rent, this year lang, parang kung ano yung na-discover nyo yung making this film na castings sa isa't isa.
Nung una, I always tell everyone na always yung comfortability namin. Pero this time, I realized na pag magka-eksena kami together, open lang talaga kami for mistakes. And syempre, every time there's mistakes, kumbaga, kung pagsasabihan man ako ni Kim, kung sasabihan man niya ako na, paano kung ibahin mo to? Paano kung meron rin input
na binigay? Hindi na mo siya nagagalit sa akin.
Hindi ako nagagalit. Hindi ako nagagalit.
Nagagalit siya sa akin, don't tell me what to do.
So ngayon, okay na yan. Okay na yan.
Please, gawin mo na.
We're open for
Kasi hindi niya ako papansinin dati. Mga 2 hours. Or 1 hour.
Hindi, syempre,
Pero ngayon, open na siya.
Kumbaga yung naging open yung...
Pero mga once nila ako sinabihan, don't tell me what to do. Mga alas 4 na naman din.
Hindi naman ganun yung words na don't tell me what to do. Huwag naman ganyan. Huwag naman ganyan direct. Pero yun, we're open for yung constructive criticism namin sa isa't isa. Parang yun, nag-work talaga.
How about you?
Yun nga sabi ko kay Sian, mas open na siya ngayon, nagiging receiver na siya. Kasi minsan, may mga scenes kasi na hinahayaan lang kami ni Direk. Tapos ako, parang iniisip ko, minsan kasi sa script, parang hindi siya swabe sa dila ko. So may ginagawa ako, ginugulat ko siya. Para mandun yung element ng surprise. Tapos tinatanggap niya. Hindi siya parang, wala sa script yan. Kasi pagka, don't tell me what to do, Direk. Direct, you're directing me.
Never ko sinabi yun Never ko sinabi.
Ganun po siya. Liar lang po siya ngayon.
Okay.
Pero, totoo po yun. Pero ngayon hindi na. Parang sobrang open na siya sa, sige, anong gagawin natin? Ganun na siya. Kasi mamadali na siya.
No, syempre pag if you guys both work together, para napag-uusapan, I learned na it works better that way. Hindi yung magugulatan na kailang kayo sa eksena na parang, eto yung sa akin, yun yung sa'yo. Hindi ganun. Dapat swak lang. Dapat jive lang talaga.
And then yung communication, and telephone, everything. Joke lang.
Thank you. And for the writers naman po, ano po yung naging influence nyo in making this movie, a project?
Ayan. The concept was given to us, and then after that, we developed kung sino ba talaga yung mga magiging characters ng pelikula. And I think to add up din dun sa pinag-uusapan nating friendship between si Kim at saka si Sian. Kasi if you'll notice, yung friendship ni Babs at saka ni Belle, it's very much, from the little that I know of the two of them, parang ganun kasi yung friendship nila. They're very comfortable with each other, ganyan. And sobrang I think, after namin mag-brainstorm kayo, after we talked to them separately, siguro nagkaroon kami ng mga ideas kasi, di ba, parang we wanted to also fit the characters dun sa personality din nila. So it's kumbaga mas magiging natural yung kalalabasan. As for the story, I think nabanggit naman na parang we all have regrets in life, and di ba, parang iisipin natin, gusto natin mag-time travel talaga. So yung sa pelikula namin, literal na nabigyan ng chance to time travel. So, ayun.
Yun po, since this concept was given to us, parang nilaro namin siya after na, ano nga ba yung possibilities na gusto mong baguhin sa buhay mo. And of course, we took into consideration the characters we're building for them. So, we were hoping na sana kilig siya, totoo siya dahil may friendship, and at the same time, kahit may time travel siya, it's very real on the emotions. So, yun po siya.
Okay. Congratulations.
Yeah, agad-agad, congrats.